So just to show you my thought process, I'm now going through the pages and having a look to see how I'm going to put this together. So I kind of like this page. There's only one of them because it's the front cover. So I kind of like this one, and I do like all this at the top. So my thought processes for this one is that I'm going to cut this to size, and size is going to be 10 1/8 of an inch. So it's going to be 10 1/8, and I'm going to cut it to 12 inches, and 12 inches at this moment in time, 12 inches is going to be this piece that's going to wrap around the album. So it will kind of take me to there, and then I can add something on. So it's going to be 12 inches. By 10 1/8 of an inch. Okay, so this is my front back cover. Okay, then inside the album I'm going to add in my pages. So I don't want to add zillions of pockets and stuff yet. I want to add my pages, so it's going to be a 5-page. Let's hope, I'm almost sure I'll have sufficient. So I'm just going to get these added in. I do have these notes for these mini albums available. I'm just going to get it to a stage where we can then start decorating.